That bearing housing is showing signs of stress.
Agreed. We should schedule an ultrasound immediately.
Look at the stress fractures right here.
Yep.
And the wear on this ring is critical.
Yeah.
We need to document the mud buildup behind this section.
Yeah.
There it is. The fracture runs deeper than we thought.
Can we bypass it?
No, this requires a full replacement. I'm getting a severe anomaly right here.
Confirmed on the scanner, the bearing is completely seized.
The digital readings match the physical damage.
Look at the pressure readings here. It's spiking again.
I see it. The stabilization protocols aren't holding.
We have to shut down Bertha immediately, or we risk a full collapse.
The displacement reading is critical.
I'm showing complete failure across the main race.
Documented. The structural integrity is compromised. Heads up, incoming material.
Secure the area. Bertha is cycling. Make sure the warning lights are active.
Crane, hold position. Utility vehicle passing on the left.
Copy that, moving slowly.
Crane, hold position. Utility vehicle passing on the left.
Copy that, moving slowly. Watch the line. Easy now, pull it left. Got it. Clear. Hold it there. Steady, steady. All right, bring it up slowly. All right, it's clear. Start rolling it out slowly. Watch the hydraulic line on your left. Steady now, easy does it. Taking the weight now. Got it, easy now. Clear. Careful, right there. You got it steady?
Yeah, it's steady. It looks seated.
All right, clear the area. Taking up the slack. All right, hold the lift. We've got stabilization secured. Bring it up slow from here.
2 inches clearance on the left. Hold the hoist. Steady as she goes. Clear of the beam now.
Hold it right there. A little to the left, slowly now. Watch the clearance on the right side. Slow descent, watch your spacing. Ropes are secure. All clear on this side, bring it down. All right, easy now, take it up slow. Watch the tension on 2 and 3. Easy now, bring it down slow. Clear on this side. All right, set it.
All teams, check your levels. We have a slight deviation on the starboard side. Maintain current pressure.
Hold it right there, a little to the left.
Okay, centered. Bring it down easy.
Roger, coming down.
All right, bring her back another 10 feet. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Confirmed, clearance is good.
Look at the size of that cutter head.
It is magnificent. We need to start the assessment immediately. This crack here needs priority. Use the heavy gauge rod.
Got it.
I'll prep this area now.
Easy, bring it left just a touch. Crowbar is set. Lower slowly now.
Okay, easy now. Rotate it 5 degrees counterclockwise. Bring her down another 2 meters, slow and steady. We are almost aligned.
Scanner reports optimal readings. Pressure gauge is steady.
Noted. Finalizing the pre-run diagnostics now. We are good to go.
Bring it down 20. Easy now.
20 acknowledged. Setting it down.
Looks secure.
All right, steady now. Make sure the seal is tight. Got it. Green light confirmed.
All right, bring her down another 10 centimeters. Easy now. Watch the alignment on the far side. And stop. Hold it right there.
All right, steady now. Make sure the seal is tight. Got it. Green light confirmed.
All right, bring her down another 10 centimeters. Easy now. Watch the alignment on the far side. And stop. Hold it right there.
Look at that. S4 is perfectly aligned.
Vibration is stabilizing.
Noted. We are clear for continued rotation.